अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू एक्टिव फाइनेंस यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज़ बाबर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल एंड प्रोसीजर टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे। इसमें जितने भी एमसीक्यूज़ आ जाते हैं वो डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल हैं उन कैंडिडेट्स के लिए जो प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं असिस्टेंट अकाउंट्स ऑफिसर, अकाउंटेंट, ऑडिटर और जो भी रिलेवेंट पोस्ट हैं इस सब्जेक्ट से, उनके लिए। ये एमसीक्यूज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू सिलेबस हैं सिंध पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन और फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के जो सिलेबस देते हैं उनके मुताबिक है। तो आज जितने भी डिस्कस हम एमसीक्यूज़ करेंगे वो अगर आप देख के किसी टेस्ट में अपीयर हो रहे हैं तो आप अच्छे स्कोर्स ले पाएंगे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। आज का सबसे पहला जो इस टॉपिक का क्वेश्चन है वो है रूल्स गाइडलाइंस दैट कंपनी मस्ट फॉलो व्हेन रिपोर्टिंग फाइनेंशियल डेटा इज कॉल्ड अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स। A option is right. Which of the following principle provides that definite and factual basis for asset valuation is objectivity principle? Which of the following principle states that assets are purchased for the use and not for resale purpose is called going concern principle? Which of the following principle assumes that a business will continue for a long time? This is called going concern. D option is right. Fifth question, the accounting principle that states companies and owners should be account for separately. Business entity concept or assumption. According to Dash, the personal expenses paid by Mr. A from his own pocket would not be recorded in business books of account is separate entity principle. B option is right. Which of the following principle deals with the valuation and recording of assets at cost is cost principle? C option is right. Which of the following principle is used for recording an expense is matching principle? A option is right. Companies not disclosing an imminent bankruptcy would violate going concern concept. The assumption that states that companies can divide up their activities into artificial time period is periodicity assumption. Assets are recorded at their original purchase price according to historical cost principle. B option is right. Management concealing important financial information violates full disclosure principle. C option is right. When estimating unearned revenues, which principle is applies? Conservatism principle is applied here. Switching accounting principle every year would violate consistency principle. Recording expenses revenues in the same period in which they occur is matching principle. Which accounting concept requires that amount of goods taken from inventory by the prospector of a business are treated as drawing? C option is right. The accounting concept which dictates that non-current assets should be valued at cost less accumulated depreciation rather than at their enforceable value is D option is right, going concern. Inventories should be valued at the lower of cost and net realizable value. Which of the following accounting concept governs this? This is B option, prudence. Which of the following statement about accounting procedures is not correct? So this is C option is right. Posting is the process of transferring information from ledger accounts to journal. C option is correct. Accounting is called the language of business because it helps to organize and communicate financial information to end users. Which of the following explains that debit and credit rules relating to recording revenues and expenses is the effect of revenues and expenses in owner's equity? B option is right. For purpose of measuring business income, the life of a business is divided into which of the following? So here the option D is correct. Considered to be continuous cycle. D option is right. 23 question. Which of the following statement is associated with accrual basis of accounting? So D option is right. Revenues are recognized in the period they are earned, regardless of time period the cash is received. D option is correct. An accounting system which is used by a business to analyze transactions, handle routine bookkeeping tasks, structure information. So all of these options are correct. So D option is correct. 25 question. Event which can be measured in terms of money and must be recorded in books of account is called transaction. उसको transaction कहा जाता है. Liabilities are which of the following? Liabilities are obligations. Hence B option is correct. Gross inflow of economic benefit is called income. Income for the company. Question number 28. What are the decreases in gross economic benefit of business? So expenses will decrease. Double entry bookkeeping was fathered by locus Pasuli. C option is right. One of the detailed rules used to record business transaction is called double entry bookkeeping. C option is right. 31 question. How much duration does an accounting period usually have? So accounting period है 1 year, जिसको fiscal year भी कहा जाता है. Which of the following is not normally required for revenue to be recognized according to revenue principle for accrual basis accounting? So evidence for an arrangement of customer payment exist. D option यहाँ पे correct है. 33 क्वेश्चन है. which of the following balances does not asset account show typically credit balance होता है इसका. 34 question. which of the following statement is or not consistent with generally accepted accounting principles relating to asset valuation? सो इसका जो आंसर है वो है सब्ट्रैक्टिंग टोटल लाइबिलिटीज फ्रॉम टोटल एसेट्स इंडिकेट what the owner equity in the business is worth under current market condition. बी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे करेक्ट होगा. 35 क्वेश्चन जो है वो है द कंसेप्ट ऑफ मटीरियलिटी. इस पे हमें इंडिकेट करना है कि रॉन्ग आंसर कौन सा यहाँ पे गिवन है. तो रिक्वायर्स दैट फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट शुड बी एक्यूरेट टू नियरेस्ट डॉलर बट नीड नॉट शो सेंट. ये जो है इससे रिलेवेंट नहीं है. ए ऑप्शन इज राइट. 36 which of the following best describes the application of generally accepted accounting principles टू वैल्यूएशन ऑफ अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल? इसका जो आंसर है वो है ए तो नहीं हो सकता. आगे देखते हैं क्या है. बी है ये मैचिंग प्रिंसिपल. द लॉस ड्यू टू एन अनकलेक्टेबल अमाउंट is recognized in the period in which sale is made, not in period in which the account receivable is determined to be worthless. Hence B option यहाँ पे correct होगा. What is not a value of accounting relevancy is reliability. What is not a value of accounting reliability? पे जो क्वेश्चन है वो करेक्ट है. टाइम लाइननेस. सी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. 39 क्वेश्चन है which of the following true with respect to provision? तो प्रोविजन से जो रिलेवेंट है वो है इट इज अ लाइबिलिटी ऑफ अनसर्टेन टाइमिंग और अमाउंट. हैंस यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर जो है हमारा 39 का वो है ए. Which of the following is true with respect to the measurement of revenue? So यहाँ पे revenue should be measured at fair value of consideration received or receivable. ए ऑप्शन यहाँ पे करेक्ट होगा। If stock valuation method is changed every year by firm, which concept the firm has violated? ये पहले भी हमने डिस्कस कर लिया कि इसको कंसिस्टेंसी कंसेप्ट कहते हैं। जब मेथड जो है एवरी ईयर चेंज होगा तो वो वायोलेशन होगी कंसिस्टेंसी कंसेप्ट की। Which of the following is related to the qualitative characteristics that make financial information useful? इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है बोथ रिलायबिलिटी एंड रिलेवेंसी होनी चाहिए डेटा में। 43 क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू रिगार्डिंग गोइंग कंसर्न कॉन्सेप्ट। गोइंग कंसर्न कॉन्सेप्ट तो इजी है, सबको आता है ये। डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग assumption that financial statements are to be prepared? This is accrual basis and going concern basis। सी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे करेक्ट होगा। 45 revenue is most commonly recognized at the time when the sale is made। सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट है। For each transaction, double entry accounting requires which of the following? Double entry requires the total debits must equal to total credits। C option is correct। Accumulated loss of a company is shown in balance sheet as, ये asset में show करेगा आपको। 48 question deciding whether to record a sale when order of service is received or when service are performed is example of recognition issue। Which of the following is an important reason for studying accounting? Accounting study करने का जो purpose होता है, accounting information is useful in making economic decisions। economic decision लेने के लिए हम accounting पढ़ते हैं। The prime function of accounting is classifying and recording business transaction। C option यहाँ पे correct है। The basic function of financial accounting is to record all business transactions। Bookkeeping is mainly concerned with the recording of financial data relating to business operations। A option is correct। Accounting principles are generally based on convenience in recording। C option is correct। Revenue from sales of products ordinarily is reported as part of earning in the period is called sales is made। Which of the following accounting change should always be accounted for in current and future periods is change in accounting principles। The going concern concept is underlying basis for depreciating fixed assets over their useful life। A option is correct। Revenue is said to be recognized when the sales are made। A option यहाँ पे correct है। In case of gold, revenue is recognized in the accounting period in which the gold is sold। B option is correct। In case of long-term contracts, revenue is generally recognized when even when a part of contract has been completed। C option यहाँ पे correct होगा। In case of traditional approach, the expense to be matched with revenue is based on original cost। Which of the following pairs of accounting concepts are mostly likely to be in conflict with one another? इसका जो है relevance and reliability का जो है conflict होता है। 62 question which of the following statement is most accurate about the historical cost concept is fails to take amount of changing price levels over time। B option is correct। In times of falling prices, the historical cost convention is overstated asset value and understates profit। Which of the following characteristics of financial information contribute to reliability? according to International Accounting Standard Framework for preparation and presentation of financial statement is completeness, prudence, neutrality, faithful. So all of these options are correct. International Accounting Standards are acronym of IAS. A option is correct. Accounting standards which applies in Pakistan. पाकिस्तान में जो अप्लाई किए जाते हैं वो हैं IAS. 67 question. GAP stands for Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. C option is correct. GAP are applicable in USA. आज की इस वीडियो के ये 68 क्वेश्चन है. इससे रिलेटेड अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर दें. एंड फॉर गेटिंग लेटेस्ट अपलोड्स काइंडली सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन. थैंक यू.